How to repair scratch DVDs. Most of the time, if the scratch isn't too deep, you can repair them with what's called a disc repair system. This one happens to be by Skip Doctor. The disc is inserted in this device with a particular fluid applied to it, and then it's turned basically over a mild abrasive wheel, which takes the scratch and removes it. It also applies a particular material inside the scratch to basically fool or deflect the laser beam coming out of the laser pickup assembly inside your DVD player, so it would go over the scratch without compromising the signal of the laser. This one also will do CDs as well as DVDs. Sometimes it takes up to 5 minutes to have this process completed, which is great if you're talking about a $30 or $40 DVD. This will not work if the scratch is very deep, or if the scratch is laid down on the disc in such a manner where it travels along the path of the disc. If the scratch goes from the middle to the outside of the disc, it's a lot easier to fix that scratch.